Caught one mouse in one room with no scratching in the walls? Snap traps are fine. Droppings in 2 rooms, chewed wires, or scratching that keeps coming back after a week of trapping? That is an active infestation. Time for a pro. Running a real DIY year against an active infestation costs about $60 in snap traps, $40 in bait stations, $30 in enzyme cleaner, and 6 to 12 hours of your own labor. That is before a callback if the mice come back. Green Guard charges $49 for the initial mouse service. That covers the inspection, interior trap placement, and exterior bait stations. Quarterly service at $119 per visit handles every other Boise pest at the same time. What a pro does that DIY cannot. Thermal-assisted entry point sealing, species identification, interior trap placement along actual mouse highways, and monitoring stations between visits. Your snap trap does not know where the highway is. Boise has 2 mouse species worth knowing: house mice in established neighborhoods, deer mice on the rural edges of Eagle, Kuna, Star, and the Boise Bench. They need different treatment plans. Getting it wrong means paying twice.